Hello everyone. Today I am working on a 2013 Hyundai Accent SE, and what we will be doing is changing the air filter in the car today. And it's a super easy job. It'll save you some money doing it yourself. And I'm going to be very basic with the steps. Again, I am not a car guy, but hopefully, it'll make it easier for someone who's never done it before. Okay, let's get started. All right, like I said, very basic. I'm going to go and show you. Okay, this is how you would open up the hood, your hood release. Now, again, most of you know how to do all this stuff probably, but I just wanted to show you. Okay, so now you come up after you've popped your hood, and you want to slide your hand underneath here to find the release lever. Okay, now look how far my hand slid in. Okay, it's going to be around where the emblem is. So you go a little to the right of it, slide your hand around. Once you feel that lever move, it releases your hood. So here's your little stand. Release that. And then there's a little arrow that shows where you place it to hold up your hood. Okay, there it is. And then you go on to the air filter box, which is over here. All right. And the two clips that you need to take out are these clips here. There's one here and there's one here. Okay, very simple. So take that off, take that one off, lift up the air filter box, and there's a couple like these little things slide underneath these brackets like. So all you gotta do is kind of pull that box out from underneath that and lift it up, and there is your air filter. Okay, take it out. Now, actually, this one's not horrible. It does need replaced. I'm over my 12,000 miles, so I'm going to go ahead and do this myself, like I told you. And then, just so you know what I bought, this is what I bought. I'll put a link in the description. I bought it on Amazon. It wasn't that much money. I actually did like a package deal. I got the cabin air filter that I'm going to do as well, so I'll be putting that on as well for you. Okay, so very simple. You just literally slide it in there, put it in place, and then for these brackets here, you want to make sure you get both those. Whoops, let me make sure I get this in the camera here. See how I get it? I'm sliding it underneath. It slid there, and there's one right back there that you had to make sure. So there's one, and there's one too. Okay, and then up in the front, you make sure you got everything lined up. Here's your clip. Make sure you get that clip on, and then don't forget your other clip right here. Okay, hopefully you can see that. All right, and you just installed your air filter, and you can throw, of course, the old one away. And I hope you guys enjoyed that, and that it helps you on your next small car project. Okay, well, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Give me the thumbs up, and also make sure you leave comments if you have any questions, okay? Thanks, and I appreciate all of you tuning in. Until next time.